Hello, beautiful people. Cynthia Academy has 500 subscribers. It's a big milestone for me because I don't take anything for granted. Thank you for sharing these videos with those people that will benefit from it. Seriously, that's the main reason why I started this channel. I want as many people as possible to gain from the information I share on this channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to this channel. I wouldn't have gone this far without you. I've created this video so I can give you a little background about me. I can share my story with you so you get to know me better. As you all know, my name is Cynthia. I share valuable information that will help your transition into the UK to be as smooth as possible. I've always been passionate about inspiring people, educating people, and motivating them towards achieving their goals. I graduated with a first class honors degree in industrial microbiology. In fact, I was the overall best graduating student in my set at that time. After I graduated, many people kept asking me questions on how to excel in school. How did I do it? How did you do it? I decided to write a book, which is Secrets of World's Best Student. This book has been a blessing to a lot of people. It's sold out anyway. It's sold out. It's not still available now. Maybe sometime in the future, I will make more prints of this book because it has been a blessing to a lot of people in my home country. I made a distinction in my master's degree in environmental microbiology. Then I came to the UK for my PhD. So currently I have a PhD in molecular microbiology from the University of Nottingham. During my PhD, it was not easy at all. I had 2 kids while pursuing my PhD, but I scaled through. I'm so happy that I was able to finish that. So I have more than 10 years of experience in academia, both in Nigeria and in the UK. I started this YouTube channel, Cynthia Academy, because I want to share my skills, knowledge, and information that will help people all over the world. I started sharing information about transition into the UK through studies because I observed the daily challenges my international students and friends faced juggling studies, finances, family, and adapting to the UK environment. I observed that people who come to the UK through the skilled worker visa have similar challenges. So why not include tips that will help people get a certificate of sponsorship, whether they are in their home country or they are currently in the UK? It's just a no-brainer. I felt like this information will really help people move forward in their dream career. Most of the tips I share here I got through research. So I researched successful students in the university, those people who were able to move from a student visa to a skilled worker visa in their area of specialization. When I do that research, I find out what worked for them. And then I share it on this channel so that you can learn from it. It's understandable when you choose a job under the health and care visa route because maybe you have a family, you need a bit of stability. That's the one you could get a certificate of sponsorship in. But do not lose yourself in that 5 years. It will be very good for you to explore options for volunteering. This has helped many people along the way to maintain relevant skills. Research is one aspect that many master students don't think so much about. While pursuing my PhD, I had 2 kids and I experienced the dynamics of working, family, schooling, and research. If I can do it, I feel you can do it. You can always explore the option of pursuing a PhD after your master's if you're interested in research. For over 6 years now, I've been providing information to several friends and their families over the phone. But I realized that I keep repeating myself over and over again on the phone. You call somebody and say the same thing and tell the other person the same thing again. Why not create a video where everybody can have access to that information, no matter where you are, no matter the color of your skin, no matter your religion, no matter what part of the world you are, you can actually have access to that information and implement that information to drive your success. And that is the reason behind Cynthia Academy. Cynthia Academy is a place where you can learn a lot of things that the university might not be able to teach you. Those things are very important for you to make the right decisions towards pursuing your career. In the university, you will acquire some skills, you will acquire some discipline, but with Cynthia Academy, we know that information drives success. Information is king right now. With the right information, you can take someone who is currently living in the village and help them move to the US, the UK, or to Canada or any part of the world. That's the difference, is that information gap that I'm trying to bridge. And what is information without you implementing it? So I encourage you to implement whatever you see on this channel, because it has actually worked for a lot of people and it will work for you. One of the things I share on this channel, it took a long time for me as a student to learn about it, to master, to understand it fully. And I'm just compressing all of that information in a video so that if you watch it, you get those ideas and you'll be able to implement it in your life. I'm here to share insights. I'm here to inspire, to motivate you to pursue your dreams of settlement. I know that many people want to graduate and also pursue a career in their area of specialization, and it's one of the major challenges with many international students. They struggle to land that job in their area of specialization, and that is where Cynthia Academy comes in. I've shared so many videos that will help you make that move and get that dream job. I know I do share information about immigration, which I feel it's very important that you are updated on that so that you don't make the wrong decisions. But I also share about tips that would help you get a certificate of sponsorship. I had zero video editing skills when I decided to start this channel. Because I was determined to get my message across, YouTube became my teacher. I decided to learn a lot from YouTube. Now, I just want to thank in a special way Bota. Bota is an exceptional person. She's a 19-year-old, student with 2 internships, a social media manager, as well as a digital marketer. But her work ethics is really good. You won't have a meeting with her and she'll be there late. She's always on time. When she tells you she's going to deliver or anything, she delivers on time. The system here is quite different. Many people start working early. That's the reason why I keep telling people that you can get internships while you are in the UK, even without a degree or with your degree from your home country, you can actually get a job in the UK. That's the reason why I encourage you to try exploring that option. Water helped me in creating and publishing my first 2 videos, but after that, I've been the one scripting, writing, shooting the videos, creating them and publishing them. And I want to tell you that it doesn't matter the age of the person you want to learn from. Just ask. Humble yourself and ask. Anybody can be your teacher, whether the person is older than you or younger than you. Just be humble and learn from people. I have so much more content to provide to you. See, this is my YouTube book. I really want many people to benefit from it. This is my YouTube book. So keep liking, sharing, subscribing, Let's keep growing the community. Follow me on Facebook at Cynthia Academy. That is where I share adverts. I share a lot of things there. Things that I don't want to create a whole video about, because it takes a lot of energy and time to create a video. Sometimes you just want to send that job adverts out there. You just want to post that information out there. And that is where Facebook page really works for me. Shout out to my dad for criticizing my videos and telling me how I can improve on it. Thank you all so much for your support and love. Bye and see you next time.